Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a clickable link to your TikTok bio. Now, if you wanted to send everybody from your TikTok accounts over to your website or your store or shop, I'll show you how to add that clickable link. First, just open up the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android. Tap on Profile at the bottom right. Tap on the three lines at the top right. Tap on Settings and Privacy at the bottom. Tap on Account midway down. Tap on Business Verification. You can see on here, essentially it says Business, Trust in TikTok, get VIP access, submit documents to vouch for the authenticity of your business, and get more tools. Unfortunately, TikTok just rolled out this feature that you need to submit actual business documents, like an LLC forming or an organization or something that will essentially prove that you have a business before you can switch to that business account. If you have that, great, just go through and hit by continuing, select that, hit get started, and then just upload the information and fill out this form. After you've done that, you can add that clickable link. It's easy to do so. Tap the back arrow until you get to your profile. Again, tap on Profile at the bottom right. Add the clickable link by tapping on Edit next to your name. Scroll down, and under Basic Info, instead of bio, pronoun, and college, you'll also see an option that says Link. Essentially, just tap on that link and you'll be able to add that clickable link. A personal TikTok account can include a URL, but it will not be clickable unless you have verified that you are a business on TikTok, and then it will turn into a clickable link. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out this video over to my right. I think you'll really like it. Thanks, guys.